well for all those like me who have just endured a few nights at one of the official MGM hotels that's been housing the virtuoso luxury people. This Virgin Hotels, Las Vegas, room 11216, is sheer bliss. I've moved from a brown environment where hardly anything worked in room number 14268 to this. Look at it. This is, I think, a standard room. I'm going to go round and show you some of the really good things. I recommend coming here if you want a decent hotel stay. Look at the robe, lovely. Fabric outside and soft terry inside. And look at the dressing table that has a USB port and a USB-C port. You can see the safe easily. And the room itself is just heaven. It's light and bright, good overhead light, good standing light, good art, and look at the bed. Oh boy, I love the curved end, just one end. That's so sexy. And again, I've got sockets and 2 USBs bedside there, and a clock. I had a clock like that before, but I didn't have a telephone charging point or fiber optics. Continuing on around, here's the bathroom with a quote on the glass. There was a fantastic universal sense that whatever we were doing was right and we were winning. I like that. That's encouraging. Now the bathroom, gosh, it's big. A very deep tub, quite difficult to get out of. Lovely floral toiletries. And the shower that's very easy to control. Two basins. Good light. And an empty drawer. But of course this is Las Vegas. They haven't heard of the word generosity in Las Vegas. But I love the wooden floor having great big mats. And I love the look of the bed. I'm loath to try it, but because I might never get up out of it. I've got a selection of waters over there on the table. I've got a day bed, so I don't actually have to get in my proper bed. And super pull-back drapes. Now this is interesting. I'm looking down at the pool, which has Polynesian kind of cabins around it, and then there's a big car park, and then construction. And they're already building the stands which will be there for the Grand Prix in November, and this is August. And that's Harmon Road at the far end of the construction. And the race actually goes along there. What a location this is. Here at the Virgin Hotels in Las Vegas.